Today I will talk about corals. Did you know that corals is an animal? Yes, coral are animals. They just don't look like the animals we're most familiar with. Because when we talk about animals, we think that they look like this and this. Coral are Nigerian like jellyfish and they belong to the Anthozoa class along with anemones. Some of you might ask, what is Nigerian? Well, phylum Nigerians include soft-bodied, stinging animals such as corals, sea anemones, and jellyfish. The phylum's name was derived from the Greek root words nide, meaning nettle, and stinging part. Now that you know corals are Nigerian, let's dive deeper to our main topic, which is the Anthozoa class. Anthozoa, derived from the Greek words anthos, means flowers, and zoa, animals. The class Anthozoa under the phylum Nidaria includes corals, anemones, sea fins, and sea plants. Anthozoa consists of 10 orders and thousands of species. Adults are attached to the seabed, but their larvae are free-floating and can drift to new settlements. Anthozoans are marine animals, often found in shallow coastal water. They are known for their sessile or attached polyp body form with the mouth facing upward. Anthozoans are carnivorous, capturing prey with their tentacles. They are optimistic predators, catching prey that drift within reach. They possess tentacles which are often arranged around the edge of their mouth. Anthozoans, like corals and sea anemones, grow through both sexual and asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves budding or fragmentation, where a new individual develops from a bud of or a fragment of a parent. Sexual reproduction involves the release of gametes, sperm or egg. There are two classifications of Anthozoa. The first is Hexacoralia, is a class of Anthozoa comprising approximately 4,300 species of aquatic organisms formed of polyps, generally with six-fold symmetry. It includes all of the stony corals, most of which are colonial and reef-forming, as well as all sea anemones and swanthids, arranged within 5 extant orders. The second is Octocoralia. It includes the blue corals, soft corals, sea fins, and gorgonians, or we call it sea pans and sea whips, within 3 orders: Alcinaceae, Helioporacea, and Pinatolaceae. These organisms have an internal skeleton secreted by mesoglea and polyps, with 8 tentacles and 8 mesenteries. And now let's proceed to the body part of anemones, which is part of Anthozoan class. Let's start with the tentacles. Tentacles used to capture prey using stinging cells called cnidocytes. And then oral discs surround the mouth and aid in food capture and ingestion. There's also a stomata, small opening or pore possibly related to respiration or excretion. Capitulum, the smooth upper part of the columns, often with adhesive properties. Collar or parapet, a protective or supportive structure at the top of the column. Mesentery, internal partitions that provide support and increase the surface area for digestion. Gametogenic tissue, or gonads, produce gametes, or which also called sperm or eggs, for reproduction. Acontia, a thread-like structure with Stinging cells used for defense or subduing prey. Pedal disc, the adhesive base that attach the anemones to substrate. Actinopharynx, the muscular tube leading from the mouth to the gastrovascular cavity. Sphincter muscles control the opening and closing of the oral disc. Mesenterial filaments contain digestive enzymes and aid in breaking down food. Columns, the main body stock of the anemones. And that's all for my report. And if there's a thing that you don't understand, please proceed to the PDF that will be given. Thank you.